Isang magandang hapon sa inyo mga kamamaw. Dito tayo ngayon sa Confederation Mall at itutuloy na ang kumbaga itutuloy yung panibagong meeting na naman ng mga samahan ng mga Saskatoon Alliance dito sa Saskatoon. So ano tayo, magbobotohan kasi tayo ngayon. So ngayon pupunta tayo sa loob ng Confederation Mall. Pero ngayon mga kamamaw, mas maganda na ngayon kasi may venue na. So nakaraan kasi doon lang tayo sa may food court eh. So syempre medyo maingay, maraming taong hindi kasama doon sa meeting. Syempre medyo kumbaga hindi komportable masyado mag-usap mga ganun pag ano, naka-open yung ano niya. So close forum talaga na doon tayo sa loob ng ano, ng gym. So parang hindi ko alam kung nakakala ni Kuya yun eh. Kaya shoutout kay Chef Buddy para matuloy itong anong to, yung meeting na to. Ayan, Confederation Mall. Let's go!
Alone. Now, the question is, why we do this? Because there's no one stand for us to be as one. It is hard, yes, of course, but that's the challenge. That's not the hindrance to create a one group and one unity as a community. It is a challenge. Sabihin natin na maraming ayaw, maraming hindi. It's okay, no problem. That is your decision in your life to be involved or not to be involved. Depende lang naman. Hindi tayo namimilit. Kung sasali ka, be one of us.
Sino may gusto?
Yeah.
It's your choice.
Yeah, it's a choice. What happened? Like I'm new here with this group, but what I've noticed though is that because with all the Filipinos that's in Saskatoon, we have so many different attitude and culture, and we're not united as one. It's kind of sad in a way sometimes because we are not. So let's say you go to when we had this thing in August. There's part of it that's united, and this part of it is not. So there's a barrier. There's actually a tall barrier. Like my experience, I go to PhilCat's office to ask something because I wanted to apply for my dual citizen.
Yes.
But you were treated as not as because they should be helping me because I'm not Canadian, I'm not Filipino anymore. But they should be helping me. That's what I've noticed, that even when we have the embassy, the outreach when they come, yes, sometimes they have to limit people to go in and register and see the consulate and what have you. But they're already coming into Saskatoon and spend money. They should just, and I know it because I've been there. It takes a lot of time and effort to open the schedule, but you have to help. There's so many new immigrants and new OFW here that they have no idea where they're going because we are so, like us being Canadian already, and we kind of disseminate the attitude of being Canadian. We don't embrace the new that's coming in, and they get lost. That's what I've noticed. I mean, I'm not judging anybody, but because I work at the food bank, so I've seen different people coming in, and some are our same culture that we have, but that's what they said. There's no unified Filipino. There's the rich and there's the poor, and if you're rich, you're nobody to down here. So, right, Kuya?
Yeah, excuse me. That's what we are trying to reach out.
Yeah.
And trying to work it out, that there should be no like at the bottom and at the top.
Yeah.
We have to treat everybody equally, if possible.
Yeah.
But it's hard, but we have to do it.
Yeah,
We
it's
have to
baby
try
steps.
it. As I said, we cannot please everyone.
There's have to have a leader, like a mentor, to actually kind of level this
That will come. That will
It,
come.
it will take a long time, but
Yeah.
it's a baby steps because we
It is,
already
yeah.
kind of not there anymore, but we have to start from the
That's the,
from the
yeah,
bottom.
From
yeah.
the scratch.
Yeah, we start from scratch. And
I think they know that already.
because
They've
if you
been doing that.
because we have the culture and there's so many of us dito, so they will apply yung grant na ibibigay yung galing lang sa dito lang sa Saskatchewan. They will give you at least, depending on how many kids that's going to that school, they usually give you at least the lowest is $60,000-$70,000. Just
Parang alam ko naman meron yun eh.
I have to be, I know that we are busy all the time because we have work, families, and what have you. But we have to be fully committed to be involved. And because I know that if we create the group and we have the board, if we have the board, because we need to have at least 6 board of directors to actually stand for all those people on top of us. So those boards have to meet at least once a month and then relay that message to be able to be unified. Otherwise, if we talk like this and people are, there's so many out there that are against because we're new, it doesn't gonna work.
That's right.
Who are community leaders already, like presidente ng iba't ibang like a group. So there should be one from them to stand as board of directors.
Siguro, it's not necessarily kasi
And 3 walkers sa Pilipinas, and then 5 cancer children, warrior cancer children sa Cebu. Yung 5 kasi ganito yung cancer guys sa Cebu. Every December they will give you a list of kids, and these kids have wish, may mga wish sila sa Christmas. So those 5 kids, na-release namin sila ng bike, yung isa packbag lang, yung isa tablet, yung mga cancer survivor or nasa mga terminal na yung mga cancer. And this year they asked for a books, but I said, oh, I don't have the event for
pwede
this
na
year.
pagplanuhan yun pagka na
Officers for November 16 at 3 o'clock, the same location, I hope, here. And then we have 2 names to choose from. It's one is Unified Philippine of Saskatchewan, and the other one is Home for Unified Philippine of Saskatchewan. So either one of those, and then we have to talk about the election of the officers, Christmas party, and venue, and also we talk about if we're going to have a potluck and membership.
Kuya Mike, may add-on pala kasi hindi ko na-record kanina. Ano ulit natin mo kuya kung sakaling maili kayo, paano po yung ano natin na tutulungan yung tipong hindi siya association, yung United na Pilipinong
What I'd like to see in our city is that yung cultural center, kailangan natin ng cultural center para sa mga kababayan natin, and also with our cultural diverse friends all within Saskatoon, so that we can have a place of celebration, a place where we can play sports, a place where we can bring everybody together and to bring Saskatoon as one city, unified city in harmony. So I'm really hoping that we can win this election and move it forward, and I'd like to see that cultural center in the future.
Thank you kuya. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, both kuya, may oras pa kayo para bumoto kay kuya sa Ward 3. Ayan. Until November 13.
November 13th, okay?
Kaya maraming
Thank you
salamat
po.
po. Mga kamama, uwian na. Ay, Chef Buddy, ay supportahan niya. Interviewin ko pala si Chef Buddy minsan para ma-share naman niya sa yung mga foundation niya.
Oh,
So, yun, nandito si
sama ka
Chef
sa pag-distribute.
Buddy. Oo. Pag ano kaya, pag may oras naman ako, nandito lang sa message mo lang.
Sama ka na mag-distribute.
Basta matapat ng Sabado, Friday, pwede. Sige, wala ko muna sila mga kamama. Punta ko na si Mrs. Hanapin ko na sila. Actually, kanina pa sila nag-ikot nila ng anak ko dito. So, ayan na, nakapag-meeting na. Sa next meeting pa uli, na lang itutuloy yung botohan kasi di sobrang dami yung nandito eh. So, in favor nung pinili nila na huwag na lang muna yung eleksyon. So, gumawa na lang muna sila ng kasi hindi na-approve yung nakaraang pangalan ng grupo dapat namin. So, magpapasa uli sila ng panibago kasi si Chef Buddy ay nagbayad data ng, hindi ko alam kung magkano. Parang gano'n, nagbayad sila. Tapos nag-apply dun sa pangalan na inano nila kasi hindi na-approve. So, kailangan ng panibagong name. So, hanapin ko lang muna si Mrs. So, ayan, nag-ikot-ikot lang muna. Nag-window shopping tayo mga kamama. Ayun na, sana maano na. So, sunod sana kung susunod na meeting namin, marami na kami para kahit paano makasimula na eleksyon. Kasi ang ano lang talaga nila is nakikinig ako kanina. Marami sila napag-usapan na talaga. Ang gusto talaga nila mga kamamaw is makatulong. Lalo na yung marami silang sinabi na pag may mga bagong dating, may mga kailangan ng gamit ng mga bagong dating. Usual si Chef Buddy, marami na pala siya natulungan. Hindi ko alam, kanina ko lang narinig na may foundation din si Chef Buddy. Minsan na-interview nga natin si Chef Buddy, singit natin dito sa vlog natin na para kahit paano malaman nyo yung mga dami pala yung tinutulungan na nandito na minsan sumusundo siya ng mga bagong dating. Minsan binibigyan pa niya ng sa foundation niya, nagbibigay siya ng bigas, nagbibigay siya ng konting gamit sa bahay. Yun yung mga ginagawa niya. So, yun na, parang sa akin naman ay sabi ko nga tinatanong ako kung ano daw bang position ang gusto ko sa grupo. Sabi ko videographer lang ako, kuya o ate. Ay, may mga nakilala tayo, sila Ate Gloria, mga subscriber natin yan. So, nakakatawa lang mga kamamaw na nakikita mo yung mga Pilipino dito na gusto nila maging united talaga, na maging sila transparent din at the same time makatulong sa mga kapwa Pilipino natin. So sana magtuloy-tuloy ito. May mga bago ding dating na dumating na kanina na mga dating member ng mga group. Hindi naman yung grupong to hindi naman against dun sa kung ano man ang merong grupo dito sa Saskatoon. Ang gusto nilang mabuo is ma-unite ulit, kumagabay madagdagan ng konting suporta yung mga Pilipinong darating dito, usually mga senior citizen na nandito na sa Canada na matagal na, kumbaga makabuo lang ng in short is makatulong lang. Yun lang ang masasabi ko talaga mga kamama. And so bali ang gagawin ko ngayon, hatid ko lang muna sila misis sa bahay, tapos balik ako dun sa Tun Tavern naman tayo. Pasyalan lang natin yung mga Pilipino kasi may gathering doon na parang may libreng pagkain, may mga kumakanta, may mga magpe-perform, kasama natin yung mga kakilala natin na Pilipino dito sa Saskatoon. Ay makiselebrate tayo sa kanila. Saka syempre nandun din si Malasang Pinoy tsaka si Kuya Chef Buddy. Ayun, so alam ko may mga parapol din dun mamaya So gusto lang natin mapakita dun sa mga manonood natin kung ganong kasi yung mga Pilipino dito, paano nila gustong mabuo o maging united as one. Ayun mga kamamaw.
1 hour later.
Mga kamamaw, gabi na alas 7 magsimula sa Tun Tavern. Actually nakita ko na nag-live si Malasang Pinoy. Nagsa-sound nagsa-sound check na sila. Tara, pasok tayo. Lumabas muna kami. I'm here with Ate Leta. Actually, si Ate Leta po ay president ng FIASC. So ano po ba yung FIASC?
Ang FIAS is Filipino Events Alliance of Saskatchewan.
Okay.
This group actually is a group that you can rely on volunteering their time. If you have any events in Saskatoon, we can contact us or reach out to us, and we are here for you guys, or any organization or any group for that matter. We are here to support you, to volunteer our time for your events and any kind of events. So tonight we are having the year end for the United Pinoy Athletic Club, hosted by the president of Jubeth Casigna and his team. So we are here to support him and all the other organizations in Saskatoon. So come over and let's get together and enjoy the live music.
So how long na po yung PIAS, ate?
Oh, we just started last year. It's actually
Oh.
just our first anniversary on the 5th of
Oh.
November.
Oh, 5th of November.
Yeah, just a first year.
Oh, I see po.
Yeah.
So sana po magtagal at saka talagang mas lumaki pa yung ano.
Yeah,
yung
and that's what
community.
we are hoping, you
Yeah.
know. And ultimately, we want like something like a community center for the Filipinos,
Oh,
so
I
that
see po.
every weekend, if we could, birthdays or baptismal or any events that we can can be held in our own Filipino community center,
Yeah.
that would be great.
Okay.
And that's our goal. Yes, and it's gonna come.
Okay, yeah. Salamat ate. Ayan,
Oh, thank
nakita niyo
you.
na mga kamamaw.
Thank you.
Actually, nag-enjoy ako na sumasama sa kanila na marami talaga dito kung talagang lalabas ako ng ano ko, parang comfort zone ko, makikilala ko yung mga tao na parang ang dami nila na dito na bumubuo ng ng grupo na parang makatulong sa kapwa nating Pilipino dito. So, aabangan ko yan palagi, nandiyan ako palagi para suportahan sila. So, maraming
Thank
salamat
you.
po.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, salamat
Thank
po.
you.
So, again, 50-50 draw 5 for $10. So, tickets for $5. And we have La Familia for $3. And Us Kitchen for $3 as well. And we have the green raffle tickets for free. The color is green because we are in Saskatchewan. Excuse me, may buhok. Please give ourselves a round of applause for coming over here tonight safe and sound. Ayan, natanggal na ang ating buhok sa larawan. My goals for tonight from Regina, Blaze Banquero.
Alright, good evening, Saskatoon!
Alright, so one of our sponsor for the BN.
The Platinum Professional Cookware.
Yes, kung meron kayong papatayin, may kutsilyo dito sa akin. Just kidding.
Kaya gusto ko marinig yung from Saskatoon. Gusto ko marinig yung yawan ng Saskatoon. 1, 2, 3, good evening, Saskatoon!
One more time, good evening, Saskatoon! Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Yes! So we are about to start. So we would like to introduce to you our president, the UPAC president. No other than
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. Jobit Casigna.
wala ba dyan, dito sa harap para makita ay yung kagwapuhan mo.
Bakit kailangan mo magsalita? Hindi na.
Magsalita, ano ka ba?
Sabihin
This
ko.
is your show, this is showtime. Just kidding. Alright, bro.
Okay, good evening everyone. I can't say thank you enough to everyone, especially those visitors from out of town. Humboldt, we're over there. Prince Albert, right here. And there's more coming tonight. So mapupuno tayo sa venue. Parating po sa lahat sila. So sa mga 300 tayong tao. Yung team ng doon, yung team nila parang asa dito pala. Yung Magallanes, thank you guys. You know what? Nag-text sa akin si Mrs. kagabi niya. You do too much for the community. Nakakalimutan mo rin yung family mo. Just ignore them. It's part of the community. If you guys want the leader, just ignore those things. Just make them a challenge to make it better for the community. You know what? We are only volunteers here. We're doing this to unite the community. You know, like today, tomorrow, we're like 8 hours in the basketball court. We're doing this for nothing, but we're doing this for the camaraderie, the unity, and respect to everyone. And I dedicated to do this to my wife, especially they're giving me an opportunity to doing this to the community. Most of the time, I'm not at home. Weekends, even though I have to spend my time for my kids. However, I'm spending my time for the community. I'm doing this for nothing. But when I see people respecting me, when I see people know me and high disrespect, I'm so happy. If you guys happy, I'm happy. You know? Kahit saan ako mapunta, I'm proud of myself too. Because saan ako mapunta ko Edmonton, Calgary, Regina, kahit saan, I know people. I have the connection, right? I did it because I am transparent, I have the good heart. So, I want to say thank you to everyone. Minsan gusto ko na mag-give up. Pero sabi ko, ano na kaya ang libangan ng mga tao? We're working Monday to Friday, right? So, ang buhay natin, trabaho na trabaho. Right? Kailangan natin ng weekend like sports. Ang sports, kailangan natin sa katawan. Ang sports, ipagpatuloy natin yan. Kasi mahalaga itong sports in our community. Sports in your health. So, like I said, keep going. To all leaders, keep going. This is your, you know, it's not for yourself. It's for the community. Kung may mga bitter sa inyo, may mga ampalay sa inyo, patunayan sa kanila. Kaya nyo, normal lang yan. Okay? I want to thank you to my sponsors. Sa inyo po, nakakagaan ng puso. We're doing this for free. You know that? People were asking me, why your event always free? You know the secret? It's in the heart, right? Like this venue. The venue is free from my friend, the owner, Mr. Ted Kamanasis. Give me a round of applause. You know what he said to me? Bro, text me whatever you need. Our hotel, our bar is open for you. So now, thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much for the trust and support for me. You know? And also, all the, like, yung mga sponsors namin, to be honest, I'm not texting them. I'm not asking them for something. They are the one to tell me, text me. You know, you guys there, you know that. Right? Text me. O, pwede ba ako mag-donate? Okay, you donate. You're open. Wala ako pong pinipili. Lahat tayo community. Bawal po sa akin ang magalit sa isang tao. Masarap po mabuhay nang walang kagalit. Masarap matulog nang walang kaaway. Tandaan niyo po yan. Life is short. Kaya dapat po, huwag tayong ibaba ang tao. Kung ang tao na sa taas, you have to help. Huwag niyo pong ibaba. Tandaan niyo po yan. End of the day, tayo Pilipino. We're Filipino. End of the day, tayo tulong-tulong. This UPAC, I'm not doing this myself. Charity, we're doing cause. Yung mga tinutulungan namin, hindi ko naman hinihiling yan. Pero, it's my passion. Galing po ako sa pamilyang, you know, politician. So, from beginning, my dad is like a brigade captain, my sister is chairman. So, sanay na po tayo dyan. So, like I said, thank you guys, our local performer. Thank you so much for your voluntary, sa mga volunteers namin. Thank you so much. Can't say thank you enough. Hindi ko po kakayanin to kung wala po ang aking members. Thank you Malasang Pinoy for your support.
Of course.
Alam niyo, napakahirap gumawa sa isang community. Isipin niyo, nagpalaro tayo doon. Isipin niyo, pumunta tayo dito. Pero hindi po ako nagreklamo. In the end of the day, kailangan po natin ang isang community na tulong-tulong, nagmamahalan at respeto. So please, sa mga galit sa isa't isa, magbati na po kayo ngayon. Okay, this stream live, okay? End of the day, wala po tayong pinipili. Okay guys, so ito lang po ang short ko.
Mga mama, nandito ako kay Kuya Jobet. So siya yung president ng UPAC. So ano po ba Kuya ang UPAC?
Oh, actually po, kami po yung United Pinoy Athletics Club sa Saskatoon. In short, UPAC.
Opo.
So, in Canada, we are running, I think, almost 9 years.
Oh.
So, matagal na po yung grupo namin. So, we're about sports like volleyball, basketball, badminton.
Yeah.
And usually, we do this for charity or a
Okay.
cause, so for the event. So, this time, this weekend, mayroon po kaming intertown. So, we have 9 different cities
Okay.
around Saskatchewan. Merong Regina, Regina, Prince Albert, Bigar, Outlook, marami po, North Battleford. So
Okay.
kagandahan po nito ang aming ginagawa yung camaraderie saka yung friendship natin. So marami tayong nakikilalang mga leaders sa iba-ibang city ng Saskatchewan. So napakasaya po. Ngayon gabi, nag-organize po kami ng year-end party na sinabay ko na po para double purpose po. Andito po yung banding natin. So thank you so much sa mga hindi pa po nakakalam sa United Pinoy. Athletics Club Saskatoon. Search po yung Facebook namin. So andun lang po, naka-private po siya. So nasa almost 2,000 na po yung aming members. So guys, watch out for the UPAC. So marami pa kaming project na darating. So more on cause kami charity sa mga kababayan po natin dyan na gusto pong humingi ng tulong. At usually po tumutulong kami sa Pilipinas. So mga gustong fundraising event, let me know. Magra-run po kami ng fundraising event. Ayan, mga tropa natin yan. Mga tropang basketball yan. Ang dami ng tropa.
Ay, maraming salamat
Thank
kay
you.
Jobet.
Thank you po. Sulit. Thank you, Jerwin.
Salamat
Oh,
po.
yan, oh.
Baby Labs natin. So mga kamama, maraming salamat. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates of my video. See you mga kamama.